Hello, today we're going to fix settings keep stopping in Galaxy A3 call. Whenever you open the settings, then it exits by itself. The Galaxy A3 call. Okay, so let's start. You will go to Files, then you select Apps here. Okay, and you select System Apps, and you select the source to be A to Z. Okay, like this, and you swipe down, you swipe to select digital wellbeing, this application. Okay, then you select uninstall. Okay, then you come back to your settings and open the settings. Now you see everything is working successfully. Okay, everything is okay now.